this is Tristyn and this is my story problem. If Jackson had 13 toy cars and each of them were 0.314 inches, and then his mother gave him 2 more cars which were 0.413 inches, how long are all the cars combined? So first what you should do is take 0.314 inches times 13 and you should get the answer of 4.082 inches. Next, you should take 0.413 inches times 2, which you should get an answer of 0.826. Then you want to add your answers up, 4.082 plus 0.826, and you should get a total of 4.908, which is the length of all of his cars combined.